Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. I am Mark.
Hi, friends. I am Brian.
Today, we talk about something very important. Stop saying these 5 words. They feel natural, but they make your English sound less confident. We will show you exactly how to change them.
Yes, I used these words a lot before. Now I feel stronger when I speak. Stay with us. You will speak with more confidence.
Don't worry about mistakes. We will laugh together and learn. Simple English is powerful English. Brian, tell our friends why this lesson is special.
Okay, improving English is not only about new vocabulary, it is about how you say things. Sometimes we use words like crutches. They feel safe, but they hide our real power. Today, we remove them.
Like when you say, I kind of like coffee, instead of I like coffee. It makes you sound unsure.
Exactly. We will show 5 words. We will make it funny too. I will make mistakes on purpose, maybe.
See, he already said, maybe. Let's begin. These small words are called filler words. They are okay sometimes, but too many make you sound nervous. Let's stop them step by step. First word, kind of or sort of. Brian, give an example.
Okay, before I said, it's kind of hot today. Now I say, it's hot today.
Yes, kind of makes you sound uncertain. Be direct.
Yesterday it was kind of cold. No, it was cold. I put on my jacket.
Good correction. Instead of kind of, say the strong word. Practice. It is hot. The food is delicious. I am happy. Second word, maybe. Brian?
I used to say, maybe I can come to the party. Now I say, I will try to come. It sounds stronger.
Yes. If you know, say it.
Maybe I will cook dinner. No, I will cook dinner. But last time I burned the rice a little.
See, we laugh, but now your English is better. Change maybe to confident words. I will try. I think yes. I want to come. Third word, just. This is a big one.
Yes, don't say, I'm just a student. Say, I am a student. You don't need to make yourself smaller.
Exactly. Brian, tell a funny story.
Okay, last week at the shop I said, I just want a small bread. The seller looked confused. Now I say, I want a small bread, please. No, just. I felt more confident.
And did you did you buy the bread?
Yes, I bought it. No more just.
Remove just when it makes you sound small. I am learning English. I have a question. Fourth word, actually. We use it when we feel nervous.
Yes, instead of actually, I like this cafe, just say, I like this cafe.
Try it now, Brian.
Actually, no, I like this lesson. I like speaking with you. See? Much better.
Perfect. You sound natural immediately. Actually is not always bad, but don't use it in every sentence. Speak directly. Finally, the filler words, and like.
When you need time to think, don't say, like, I want. Just pause. Silence is powerful.
What did you eat? I ate rice and chicken. You see? The pause is okay. The pause is natural. The pause makes you look calm and confident.
Like, the soup was kind of hot. No, the soup was hot.
Brian, you used all 5 words in one sentence.
Yes, that was my old way. Now I pause and speak clearly.
Pause means thinking time. Silence makes you look smart, not lost. Think, then speak. Now repeat after us slowly. It is hot today. I will try to come. I am a student. I like this lesson. I ate rice. Repeat each sentence 3 times. Pause between each one. Feel the difference. You're doing great so far. If you're learning something new, please smash that like button. It helps other English learners find this video.
Thank you. Now let's continue.
Let's do a full conversation with the old words and the new words. Brian, Show us the old way first.
I kinda want to go to the park. Maybe it is just a small walk. Actually, like, it is sort of nice outside.
You sound so unsure.
New way. I want to go to the park. It is nice outside. I will take a walk.
Much better. You sound confident, you sound clear, you sound strong.
Yesterday, I practiced at the post office. I said, many times. Today, I stopped. I sent my letter clearly.
Tell us more.
I told the clerk, I need a big envelope. Not, I just need kind of a big envelope. He smiled and helped me fast.
Use these new habits every day. At the shop, with friends, in the kitchen, at the post office, everywhere you go, practice the new way. Let's pretend you order food. Old Brian, go.
I kinda want the chicken. Maybe with rice. Like, actually, it is sort of good.
New Brian, I want the chicken with rice. It is delicious. See the difference? Everyone watching, did you hear that? Same information, same person, but completely different confidence. So, Brian, what is the big message from today?
Simple is better. You don't need complicated words to sound confident. Speak clearly. Pause when you need to. Believe in yourself.
And remember our cousin Alex from last time? He is arrogant and complains. He uses many filler words and sounds unsure. When we stop these 5 words, we also become more humble and clear.
Yes, I praise God today. I am thankful I can learn and speak better. Small changes make big confidence.
Past tense review. Listen carefully. I stopped. I practiced. I laughed. I learned. Now practice sentences. I stopped saying I spoke with confidence yesterday. I learned 5 important words today. Let's review all 5 words one more time together. Brian, number 1.
Kind of. Remove it. Be direct.
Number 2.
Maybe. Say what you mean. Say it clearly and strongly.
Number 3.
Just. Don't make yourself small. You are not just anything. You are a learner. You are brave.
Number 4.
Actually. Speak naturally. Don't use it in every sentence.
And number 5.
And like. Use a pause instead. Silence is your friend. Silence is powerful.
Now your turn. Tell us in the comments which word you use most. Give us an example like Brian.
Example. I used a lot before. Now I pause. Simple, clear, honest. Write yours below.
Practice every day. Record yourself for 1 minute. Listen and count the 5 words. Then try again without them. You will improve fast. This is one of the best things you can do for your English speaking right now. It costs nothing, it takes 1 minute, and the results will surprise you.
I started doing this 3 months ago. I recorded myself every morning for 1 minute. I counted my filler words, and every week the number went down. Every week I felt stronger. Every week my confidence grew a little more.
That is the proof. Small changes every day make big results over time. You don't need a perfect day. You just need a consistent one. Show up, practice, laugh at your mistakes like we did today, and keep going.
And be kind to yourself. We laughed so much today. We made mistakes on purpose. We showed you the wrong way and the right way. Because learning is not supposed to feel scary. It is supposed to feel like this: fun, real, and full of small victories.
Let's do one final full practice together. Repeat every sentence after us out loud. Don't just read it. Say it. Ready?
It is hot today.
I will try to come.
I am a student.
I like this lesson.
I ate rice and chicken.
I stopped saying
I spoke with confidence yesterday.
I want the chicken with rice, please.
I need a big envelope.
I am learning English every day.
Beautiful. Say each one again on your own, pause between them. Feel how clear and confident you sound without the filler words.
Now here is something I want you to think about. Every time you remove one of these 5 words from your speaking, you are not just improving your English, you are changing how you see yourself. You are telling your brain, I am capable, I am clear, I am confident. That is powerful. That goes beyond English. That changes everything.
Yes, that is exactly how I felt. When I stopped saying just and kind of and I didn't only sound better, I felt better. I walked into the post office feeling like a different person. Same English, same vocabulary, but different attitude, different energy.
And that brings us to our final message for today. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Be kind to yourself. Laugh at your mistakes, like we did today. Simple, clear English is the best English.
Which of these 5 words do you say the most? Write in the comments. I want to know. Write it like this. I used to say a lot. Now I pause. Or I said maybe too much. Now I say I will try. Share your story with us.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing your English every single day. Every lesson you watch, every sentence you repeat, and every mistake you make and laugh at, it is all building something. Something real, something strong.
You are doing amazing, honestly. The fact that you watched until the end tells me everything about you. You are serious, you are committed, and you are going to speak with real confidence very soon.
See you in the next lesson.
God bless you all. Bye, everyone.
Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Be kind to yourself. Laugh at your mistakes, like we did today. Simple, clear English is the best English. Bye.